windows, or do you want to have them up? You won't be able to hear the car much if they're open. So we'll close them a little bit.
Okay.
There we go. How's this road, eh? How nice is this road? Please, can you just hold this for me? I forgot about it.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, let me put it on and get some recording done,
Okay, good.
yeah. Yeah, good.
What do you think of the road?
I'm speechless.
How freaking awesome is this road? Hey?
That is lovely, dude.
Okay. Do you want to do photos now? Or you want to just carry on a little bit more?
No, it's up to you. You're the pro. You know
Okay,
this stuff
alright.
better than I do.
Alright.
You can decide when you want to do photos.
Okay. Nah, your car moves, dude. How you feeling over there?
I'm okay.
It's even better when the sun is behind you, you know? That kick is always amazing, eh?
The tire's pretty nice, yeah. I notice it's not
It is.
real spinning.
The thing is, also with this road, there's like no potholes. So, it's just lovely.
Normally when you engage the kick down, it freaking spins. It takes off.
Yeah. That's why I say
Yeah, it's just
this
gripping
is
and going.
such a road, dude. No, it's lovely, dude. I love this road. No, you must do, because the nice thing is this is also not far.
It's fast, man.
Yeah.
I know because of the 400-meter runs, I get to see the acceleration.
Yeah. We're having a party over here.
I wonder what's going on.
Yeah, I wonder.
Don't see any price tags or anything.
Hey, how nice is this road, dude? So now we come up to the traffic circle where we will take some nice photos.
So there's the traffic light.
I'm gonna aim for when the sun is like setting. We'll be back here by this traffic circle. Let's hit up some photos. Why the hell not, eh? We'll do some now and some later. Just yeah. Okay, so now you'll get back in the driver's seat and you'll maneuver if you